Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can install the Prettier extension for Visual Studio's code. So if you don't know about the Prettier extension, then it is a code formatter that enforces consistent style by parsing code and reprinting it with its own rules, thus taking line length into account. So let's see how to install this extension. To install the extension, you need to head on to the extension tab in your Visual Studio's code, or alternatively, you can press the Ctrl Shift and X key combinations. Once you are here inside the extensions tab, simply go to the search bar and type the name, that is Prettier. And here you can see the first extension from Prettier with around 55.5 million downloads. So simply click on the install button and the installation will begin. But before that, you need to click on the Trust Publisher and Install button to continue. Simply click here and just wait for the installation. And here you can see that the installation has been successfully completed for this extension. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.